In the second reading, St. Paul tells Timothy, I laid my hands upon you, and you received the Spirit, not of fear, but of power, of self-control. So live a righteous life. Don't be ashamed to give witness to Jesus. Our faith is tested, not when things are going on smooth in our life, but when there is disaster comes, our faith is tested. Let us say, tomorrow in Goa, religious persecution starts. Christian houses are targeted. They are burnt. And they come to our house, to my house, and they ask you, are you a Christian? What will be my answer? If I say yes, they will burn my house. They may kill me also. If I say no, I will betray Jesus. Throughout the history of Christianity, countless people have given their life for Jesus. In today's gospel reading, we heard the apostles come to Jesus and say, Lord, increase our faith. Because they realized they don't have sufficient faith. And Jesus says, if you have faith as little as that of a mustard seed, and if you tell that sycamore tree, we have not seen a sycamore tree, at least I have not seen. Let us say a tamarind tree, which is very common here in Goa, which is a strong tree. If you tell the tamarind tree, uproot yourself, go and plant in the sea, that will happen, Jesus says. What Jesus is trying to say, will the tree will go? No, that is a saying. Therefore, Bible needs not to be read. Bible to be read, to be prayed, reflected, but moreover we have to study. What Jesus is trying to say, if you have a little faith, things happen in your life.